The classes we're going to start, guys, from today. People, okay, people will follow the recordings. No worry about them. Let's no worry about them. Okay, fine. What I'll do, I'll be starting with SQL part. SQL. What is SQL? Is any one of you guys, please? What is SQL? What is SQL? What the information which you guys are having and which you guys knows about this SQL part. Just try to answer it. If it is wrong, also no worries. No one will. No one is going to uh, punish you. Okay, please, guys. What is SQL? SQL क्या होता है? And you'll be learning, guys. I'm here to help you. If any doubts will be clear in three languages, like Telugu, Hindi, English. If you're not able to, like, suppose if some other topic, if you're not able to cope with topic means, according to this three language, I'm here to clear this. Okay, fine. Let's please, guys. What is a skill? What is a skill? What is a skill? What is a skill? No answers. Please put in the chart if you have the any idea about this. Okay, fine. I'll move on. SQL is structured structured query language. SQL is structured query language. Okay, fine. Where we uses this? Any one of you know this? Where we uses this? Where we uses this? Any one of you are having any idea about this? Where we uses this? Where we uses this SQL? Where we use this SQL? Where we use this SQL, guys? Any one of you, please? Guys, where we use this SQL? Guys, if you people are not answering, the session has to be interactive, please. If not, if I'm going from my side itself, that's not going to be the very good session. Session has to be very interactive session, please. Okay. Where we use this skill. Any one of you, like if you see SQL is used in databases, okay, we know. In database we use SQL, we know. What kind of databases are there? Okay, SQL is used in databases, right? We know. How many types of databases are there? How many types of databases are there? Normally, what is a database? Database is like an one second. Before going into this, how many types of databases are there? How many types of databases are there? The question arises, how many types of databases are there? Any idea, guys? Okay, okay, fine. So, for example, here two types of databases are there: relational basis, relational databases, non-relational, relational, non-relational database are there. relational database and non-relational database. SQL is the language which used in relational database. Database is like an storage, guys, where you can store the data. For example, the Excel sheet supports some limit of the data, and so after this, if the limit crosses from here, we goes to the database for the storage of the data. Okay, after if it crosses in database also, we will be going into the cloud part. We will use cloud database for the storage itself. Okay, okay, fine. SQL is a language which used in relational databases. SQL is a language which used in relational databases. Okay, see where SQL is used. Relational databases. Once again, in which database SQL is used? Once again, I'll see. In relational database, the language used is in relational database, the language used is SQL, structure query language. SQL is a language used in relational databases. See, relational, you can see. The question I've asked, relational databases, you can see here. Relational databases. Difference part we will see. First of all, difference part also we will see. Difference between relation and non-relation data we will see. One second. Excuse me. One second. So after this, list of the small examples I'll give here. Before that, examples of relational databases. PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server. List of relational databases. The example which I've given also say it was this. PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL was the PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server. See, these all things, guys. Guys, if you look at this, see, these all the relational databases only. These all were relational databases only. These all were relational databases only. The language used is SQL. Used in these relational databases is SQL. Only language used is SQL. Language used is SQL. You can ask me like here we are going to learn about PostgreSQL database. What's the difference? What's the difference? What's the difference? What's the difference? What's the difference between this databases difference? What's the difference between this database to this database to this database? What's the difference? It was like completely like it was like completely the difference is like The language usually is SQL. Here also SQL. So you can see SQL. Language SQL. This is an SQL. Here also SQL. Everywhere. Don't see this. This is an language usually is an SQL. But you can ask me what will be the difference. The difference is like an minor difference will be there from this SQL to this SQL queries while writing. The difference is like an some syntax difference. Everything is same. Like 20, like 10%, like 10% difference will be there. 5 to 10%. That will be like the difference over here is like American English and British English. In this, how the difference will be there between these two Englishes? In the same way, this skill, this, the same difference will be there. If you can ask me this, if I learn this, then what about this? What about this? What about this? Just no need to do anything. Just if you're good at this, if you see any job description with this MySQL server or job description contains this particular MySQL. If you're good at PostgreSQL means what to do means just you can easily apply. You can easily apply anything. Just we'll be doing hands-on with this. But while before going to interview, if you're seeing this Oracle database, suppose just see the differences. Just see the differences of this the SQL which you have learned. Go and ask the ChatGPT for the difference. ChatGPT, I learned PostgreSQL. ChatGPT, I learned PostgreSQL. So my interview is this, having this, I've applied for this. SQL, I know. Revision a relational database. This also a relational database, right? So can you please give the small differences? ChatGPT will give you the small differences. Just prepare for this, and you can go for the attendee and you can crack out. Why? Because like you can explain to interviewer also like majority of their work will be in this database where you're good at. You can tell them like in this way also. You can convey them. Actually, your majority of the work will be this, and small portion of the work will be here. So there is if chance comes to work with this means some in that way you have to convey them. That's it. It's more than enough. Okay. After this, after this, after this relational databases. Okay, what is a relational database? Relational databases the will be in tabular format. Relational databases will be in the tabular format. Mat, which is having rows and columns, structured data, structured data, and here in relational databases, relation relation between exists. Relation between table exists. One second, guys. One second. Structured data. See, guys, this is in used in structured data and the relational databases. Relation between the table exists. The data will be in the form of like Tabular format is the data here. The data is in the form of the tabular format, which we're having the rows and columns. We're having the rows and columns. In this way, the data will be tabular format. Rows and columns. Okay. After this, what is another database? Non-relational database. Just I'll give you for information purpose. We am going with this. Will not deal with this. Just will deal with PostgreSQL. Okay. Non-relational database. Here in non-relational databases, language use this. NoSQL. Language use this. NoSQL. Example of non-relational databases. MongoDB. Here data will be in unstructured. Example, PDFs and graphs. Here in non-relational databases, language used is NoSQL. Example, MongoDB. See, I'll show you. See, NoSQL. Language used is NoSQL. Language used is NoSQL. Yes, one second. Structure query. One second. Used in non-relational databases. One second. One second. One second. One second. I'll show you. NoSQL only. NoSQL is the language which used in the non-relational databases, guys. Okay. Okay. NoSQL is a language used in the non-relational database. NoSQL means non-relational database. Usually non-relational databases. Let's now go with the list of non-relational databases. This all were the list of non-relational databases and the example which I've given, MongoDB. MongoDB is a good example. And let's see the data, how the data will be. See, I'll show you. Okay. Here data is graphs and PDFs. I told you, right, and also in the form of dictionary format, like in this way, data in non-relational, relational like this. Key value in this way, data will be data stored in this way. Data stored in this way. After this, see, See guys, here in the relational set, there is a relational example, tabular format, and relation between table exist. Relation between table exist. Here, this is for non-relational set, graphs, documents, and like unstructured data, completely called as an unstructured data time series. This all will state main good example which we are aware of is like documents and PDF. Documents and PDFs. Documents and PDFs. Okay. Let's now go with the, so we have seen this. We have seen till now. We have seen where we were. Okay, we have seen this. Relation, non-relation. This all things we have seen. Okay, fine. Let's go to the installation part of the PostgreSQL. Who is ready to share your screen, guys? Who is ready to share? Already the installation was done with my system. Who is ready to share your screen? Who is ready to share your screen, guys? Any one of you, please. Any one of you, please. Guys, hello. Am I audible? Hello, guys. Am I audible? Hello. Any one of you, please. If who is ready to share the screen? I'll show you the installation part. Installation part. Already the PostgreSQL was installed in my system. So you can see. So let's install this in any one of you guys, any one of you people system. Please share your screen. Hello. No one? No one is ready? Okay, fine. Do one thing. Okay, fine. What I'll do, shall I share the installation video then? What can we do? What can we do? If no one is ready to share the screen, then how can we install? How can we install? Hello? Hello? Okay, fine. What I'll do, I'll be going with this. If anyone of you, please, guys, again I'm asking, please, if you're, please share your screen. Anyone of you, I'll be showing you the installation of the Postgres. Okay, fine. Do one thing. Go to here. Go to downloads. Windows or Linux, which one you want? Select it. Windows or Linux, which one you want? Select it. Here, see, download the installer option is there again. After that, you can see here, download the installer option here. This option, click on this, click on this, go with this your version according to your system support and this all things. Go with this. You can download it. We'll install tomorrow. Okay. Download it. After downloading, please, after downloading, I have shown you how to download and installation. Let's install in next class. Install this next class. Okay. Okay, fine. See, I'm going to pg admin. I'm opening PostgreSQL now.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, can I share my screen?
You can share your screen.
It's asking that you will have to accept some requests to share.
One second, I'm giving you the permission. One second. You guys ready, right?
Yes.
Make presenter. I made you presenter. Go ahead.
Are you able to see the screen? See my screen?
Yes, you can. Yes, we can.
Okay.
Windows. Which system you're using? Windows or like?
Yes, Windows itself.
Okay, fine. Download the installer. Yeah, left side. Left side. Download the installer. Which bit? 64 bit or 32 bit? Which bit?
64, 64.
Then go for 16.4. 16.4. 16.4. 16.4.
16.4.
Windows. Yes, Windows. See here. Ah, click on this.
This one, right?
Yes, it's downloading. See. Above, you can see here. Left side. Arrow option is there, right? Ah. Yes, it's downloading. One second. Let's wait. Guys, everyone have joined this. Is it today? Is there any new people or else like people are returning from first day or like second day? Any queries you can ask me, guys. I'm here to help you. No, 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 no. Don't open WhatsApp. Don't open. Okay, close it out. The session is being recorded. Okay.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm
Personal
closing.
information. Okay, personal information should not be. Right click
Right click.
and open. Next.
Next, right?
Yes. Without my instruction, don't do anything. Why? Because like it's very. One second. Back.
Okay.
Next. Without my instruction, don't do anything. Next.
Sure.
Everyone, guys. PostgreSQL has a database should be. One second. Be on hold. Sorry. Databases should be handled with care, guys. If you're not handled with care, that databases will play with us. So please, okay. Next. Remove stack builder. Remove stack builder. Left side, remove stack builder. Okay. Next. Password. It should be simple. If you forgot your password also, that's create you very hectic problem. It takes 3 to 4. We can learn course also in the time of the password resolution. Next. Simple like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you kept? Yogeshwar, you have gone with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very simple password, right?
Something
Next.
like that only, numbers only. It's
Okay,
very
fine.
simple.
Next. Okay, fine. Next. 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 Guys, please follow the same instructions. So try to install and download this. Okay, it takes more time. Okay, before that, I'll be going with like you can ask me any queries if you're having any queries. You can ask, guys. Okay, please. Any related to course, any related to timings, anything related to the content part, like anything like how the notes will be shared in that way. What were the questions you're having? You can ask me.
Timings remains the same, right? From 8 to 9.
Yes, timings will be the same 8 to 9. And also, like you'll be getting in this way, guys, every day. So, see, guys, in this way, you'll be receiving the content every day. Live class work also will be receiving, and the notes which we will be writing, the notes which I'm writing also will be receiving. So in this way, the writing notes will be shared, and also syntax part of this live class, which the work we have done, syntax part also will be shared. So the queries which I'm writing, syntax part also will be shared. So every day after completion of the class, in this way it will be shared. This is the batch which I'm going with this particular institute on this year. Every day, every day. Okay. Anything else, guys?
From Monday to Friday, right?
Yes, Monday to Friday.
Okay. And one more thing, MySQL, Power BI, Python, and Excel you'll cover, right?
Yes, this SQL will cover SQL. SQL, PostgreSQL will cover. MySQL is in another database of relational databases. I've seen in the relational databases. I've seen, right. I've shown you.
Yes, yes.
Will cover SQL. If you're going with this PostgreSQL, each and every the difference of this relational databases is somewhat minor differences. That's it. Okay, you need to worry about this. PostgreSQL will cover, Excel will cover, and PostgreSQL, Excel, Power BI, Stats, Python.
Okay.
These all things will cover.
Duration is 3 months, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Meanwhile, any queries you can ask me, guys. Any one of you having any queries, means you can ask me. Please contact management. Check with management for these recordings part. This particular recordings part, you'll be getting this everything, and also there after completion of the enrollment, you'll be having one WhatsApp group. In that, they'll be updating everything like drive link for the recordings and drive link for this material part will be available and day to days, and each and every update will be you'll be getting from that particular WhatsApp group itself. Okay. Hi guys. Any queries you can ask me, guys. Satyavati, something you want to say? Satyavati, something you want to say? Okay. Finish. Okay. Just go to your search option, search box, PG admin. PG admin. One second, one second, one second. What happened? One second. PG admin. Go to your search box. Open. Open that. Open right side. Left side servers. Click on it. Left side servers. Yes. Give your password which you have given. Okay. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. Okay. Right click on that PostgreSQL 16. Right click. Create database. Harsha database. Something for remembrance is an Harsha Trainings, right? That's going with Harsha database underscore database. Save. Don't do anything. Down. Save. Okay. Right click on that Harsha database. Go down. Go to query tool. Maximize the screen. Yes. Here only, guys. We'll be writing queries here only. In the Harsha database itself, what I'll do tomorrow, I'll be showing you with the one of the data which I have the tables, few tables I'll give. Later, at the in the between after completion of the few topics, later we'll go for the creation of tables. First of all, I'll be giving you my tables which I have the data. I'll be giving you. I'll show you how to do that everything. Okay. Till here, we have gone now till here. Any queries? Nagesh, you ready? Tomorrow I'll be giving you the data. No worries, okay? In next class, okay?
Okay.
I'll show you how to go with that past, the past tables creation, that all things I'm having. That I'll give you. And later I'll show you creation of tables. This all things we will discuss. No worries. I'll tell you in next class, okay? Okay.
Sure. I'll stop my
Okay,
screen
guys,
sharing.
you can stop your screen sharing.
Okay.
Guys, please follow the same instructions and please try to download and install this PostgreSQL. In tomorrow's class, we'll be writing queries and we'll be seeing the topics will going to be started. Okay, please. Okay, please install with this and try to install and come back. Okay, shall we
Okay.
wind up? Any queries you can stay back. If no queries, you can leave.